2012 GLK Class. Based on the C-Class, the GLK joins the small upscale SUV class. Its smooth 268 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 delivers quick acceleration and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, driver airbag, cruise control, fog lamps, remote power door locks, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.